Alright guys, so we're up making breakfast right now. Making a quick breakfast. It's a high carb day, thankfully, finally. 3 low days in a row. I'm freaking exhausted. So that means no eggs. I can't have egg whites, but I chose to opt for protein shakes to step away from eggs for a day. Plus, I'm kind of in a rush. I'm meal prepping right now. I got the cream of wheat cooking. I'm making my meat for today's lunches. I'm gonna take a lunchbox to go because it's my little nephew's soccer game he has here soon. So I gotta leave and go to the soccer game and hang out with the family. So I gotta bring meals. On another note, I did get this in. Evogen Light and Fit. I've got another sup coming in here by tomorrow, I think. This one's really good for your detox. It's kind of gonna cleanse out my stomach, especially because once you start getting near right the end of prep, like the last few weeks, you start to get really bloated. It gets like really hard to go to the bathroom. Your gut starts feeling bad because you're getting a lot of protein in. Ask anybody about it. It sucks. But yeah, so we got this in, so this will help me a lot. We got something else in, some blue light glasses, because I'm always working on a computer or playing video games, and I didn't pay for those. Serena got them for me, so that was a little surprise because I actually don't have Amazon Prime. I had Serena order that, and then she threw in some blue light glasses for me, so thank you, babe. Mwah. All right, guys, my lunch is packed. Put the protein shake in a shaker today so I could take it with me on the road instead because I gotta leave. I'm eating this. I want to open these glasses Serena got me. I don't have fingernails to grab this with. There we go. Hey. Oh, it's a blue light tester. What does this mean? There's like instructions and stuff. I can't just... You don't just wear them? Apps? What do they need an app for? Hey, these are pretty sick. Kind of... Ooh. I don't know about all this stuff, though. I don't know what this is about. Thank you, babe. Gotta get on the road. See you guys. Just a baby. Just a baby. Look at that. This dude needs to do some sit-ups. Bro. What is that? Jiggle jiggle. You need to do some sit-ups. Bro's been eating too many mice outside. You kidding me? He's not having it. Alright guys, meal number 3 is going down. Same exact meal as number 2 that I packed earlier for the soccer game. It ended earlier than I thought. It was just one soccer game. Some little tiny 4-year-old kids running around chasing the ball, falling on the ground, playing in the dirt, looking for butterflies. Not really playing soccer that well. I ended up just coming home after. So I'm gonna eat this. I've been chilling. I'm actually... You guys are going to notice I'm uploading my first YouTube video right now, which was filmed last week. So my welcome video has the same outfit. I'm in the same spot. So you guys may notice that. But we are here. The video's uploading. I'm really excited. My Wi-Fi sucks because I live kind of like on a hill. So it's really not the best. So I'm waiting for that. And then I'm going to get ready and go to the gym. And get a workout in. Today is a back day. It's going to be really nice having all these extra carbs in training. And then tomorrow is legs and quads. So that's going to be really nice having the layover from the high carb day into tomorrow's pump for the quads. So super excited about that. I'm going to eat. I'm going to enjoy the weather. I'm going to sit out here with my doggos. I'm going to drink a ton of this water. And then I'll see you guys at the gym. Voy a quemar, tengo que quemar. Voy a quemar, tengo que quemar. Voy a quemar, tengo que quemar los parlantes. Tengo que quemar el tiempo diamante. back from the gym. My phone died during it, so you guys missed a little bit of what happened. Finished up with some rear delts on the pec deck, and then I crushed some arms real quick. I did preacher curls, isolateral, so single arm preacher curls, and then I got on the cables and I did the behind the back drag curl on the cable, so you face away, really stretch your arm back. And then I did some hammer curls with the dumbbells, and then I burned out right at the end with some cable holds where you curl this way. So got a pretty good pump. I didn't do any posing right after I got back. I just made the post-workout meal. I'm gonna down this, and I might go outside, walk the dogs or something, get some extra steps, because it's really nice outside and I do need to get the rest of my steps for the day, so we might do that. We outside. I always tell you guys, go outside. That's where we at. We got some guys over here practicing their golf swings. I need to do that. I also need to get a new set of clubs. Me and my buddies, we usually golf through the summer. Once the weather starts getting icy, we get out to the ranges. We play best ball mostly, because we'll be 10 over par if we don't each. Well, scratch that. We're 10 over par playing best ball. We all suck. Do all this bodybuilding. Maybe I should just become a PGA and make millions and be able to go to really beautiful places and just hit a ball into some holes better than other people and win millions of dollars. I mean, that would be pretty fucking awesome, wouldn't it? Imagine seeing a huge bodybuilder golfing, like Ronnie Coleman size. Here, let's pick someone relatively new. Martin Fitzwater. I've been watching a lot of his YouTube videos. I like Martin Fitzwater. Imagine seeing Martin Fitzwater. I'll put a picture of him on the screen if we need. Imagine seeing that guy golfing. Or trying to even pick up a club and swing it, lift it up to the angle of getting his arm up high enough to even swing the club down into a drive. That would be silly. You guys want to jump in? All right, guys, one more gift came in the mail today. So this is the premium water loss matrix. You can obviously see definition, separation, detail. This is going to help me dry out for the show. Take all the water out of my body, out of my muscles, make me look super shredded. Let's open up our goodie cabinet. So I'm going to put it right here next to the other one, the light and tight. These two are going to be for peak week. Taking these on peak week, so we gotta save it. So help me with my digestion, my bloating, my gut. This is gonna help me look super shredded. Guys, look at this big slab of skirt steak. This is gonna be bussin'. Who says bodybuilders can't cook nice things? I mean, come on. Look at that crispy steak. Let's cut this bitch. Y'all can't tell me I didn't put that shit together, though. 200 grams of rice, some green peppers, broccoli, spinach, and a little bit of parsley mixed up into the rice for the rest of my greens. And that delicious ass steak. You can't say I didn't put that shit together. Come on, look at that. I'm gonna absolutely devour this now. That is good. I can't even talk to y'all right now. I gotta work on this.